Hello friends, today we have taken the topic types of bridges. In this video we are going to talk about the different types of bridges and identify some of the famous bridges in India. As we know that people have been using bridges to cross water for thousands of years, but the construction of bridges and the material which is used to make bridges has changed from past to the present. Starting from the vine and wood bridges to the steel and concrete bridges, and the latest technology is using fiberglass to make bridges. So let's discuss everything about why and how of different bridges in this video. Let's start from the simplest type of bridge. As you can see in the image, a simplest type of bridge is the one which is made out of wood and vines in jungle. Ancient Romans built arched bridges out of stones, and many of them are still used today. Some bridges are still made in the same way. So let's see how ancient Roman used to make the arched bridge. As you can see in the image, it contains arch stones, and there is a center. In the center there is a stone which is known as the keystone, which is kept at the last, and the bridge makers build strong columns called piers on each side of the arch. Then a strong frame is made out of wood between the piers, and the arch stones are laid on the top of this frame. There are so many types of bridges in the world, but there are only 5 basic kinds of bridges, and they are beam bridge, arch, suspension, cable stayed, and cantilever bridge. A beam bridge is the most basic form of the bridge, and this can be made out of wood or steel or concrete. In this type of bridge, a horizontal beam is supported at each end by piers, and the weight of beam pushes the straight down on the piers. As you can see in the image, there are 3 piers seen. Talking about arch bridges of today, the arch bridges have a great natural strength, and they were originally built by stone and brick as we discussed, but these days they are built of concrete or steel. Now instead of pushing the weight straight down, the load of an arch bridge is carried outward along the curve of the arch to support at each end. Suspension bridges. So suspension bridge is a type of bridge in which the deck is hung below the suspension cables on vertical suspenders. As you can see in the image, this type of bridge can be much longer in comparison to the other types of bridges. What is the advantage? The advantage is that most of the weight is supported by the 2 towers, and they in turn pass the compression forces from these cables directly into the ground. Coming to cantilever bridges constructed using cantilevers. What are cantilevers? These are horizontal structures supported only on one end. And a cantilever bridge can have one or more independent beams joined by the central span. The latest technology we are using contains the cable stayed bridges. Now this is the type of bridge in which the weight of the deck is supported by a number of cables running directly on one or more towers, as you can see in the image, and this is one of the newest type of bridge designs. The advantage is that it takes less concrete or steel than the beam bridges. Now let us talk about some of the famous bridges of India. And as I show the image, try to identify the type of bridge. This is the famous Palmam Bridge in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and it was opened in 1914. Now try to identify the type of bridge. Yes, you have identified it right. This is a cantilever bridge. This beautiful bridge is built on Mandarapi River in Goa. Try to identify the type of bridge. It's easy to identify. Yes, you have guessed it right. This is a cable stayed bridge. This is the famous Howrah Bridge in Kolkata, made on Hooghly River. Try to identify the type of bridge. Yes, it's a cantilever bridge. This bridge is Dhola Sandhya Bridge. This connects the northeastern states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Try to identify the bridge. It's easy to identify. Yes, this is a beam bridge. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel for more such informative videos.